All right, so Pfizer's at $35.90 with a market cap of 199.60 billion. And we're just a little bit down, but overall staying in the range that it's probably always going to be at. So don't think that this is going to go massive, parabolic like everyone thought. You had your chance to sell at 42, and if you didn't sell, you missed it. It's probably going to be this way for a long, long time for Pfizer. And that's great for me. That's the whole reason I bought it. I only bought it for its dividend, not to make money on the coronavirus vaccine. And in today's news, Novartis, Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine manufacturing deal in the works. So the global pharmaceutical company Novartis announced Friday it signed an early agreement to boost manufacturing capacity for Pfizer coronavirus vaccine. And the company intends to take the mRNA ingredients from BioNTech and load it into vials at its site in Stein, Switzerland, and ship it back to the BioNTech for global distribution, according to a company announcement. So I don't know if this is shocking to anyone else, but I can't believe this hasn't been done already with other companies. Maybe the companies just don't want to put in effort to assist in, pumping up the Pfizer vaccine because they want to create their own, or maybe it's just too costly. Maybe Pfizer doesn't want to pay its profits to produce more vaccines. I'm kind of amazed that the government hasn't stepped in and paid to convince others to kind of assist like this. So I'm a little shocked it took this long, but that's pretty awesome because obviously Pfizer is struggling to keep up with orders. It's just too many people, not enough. Pfizer, it's just they can only produce so many vaccines. So it's good to see that they're stepping out to another company to assist with this, and that will result in more vaccines, which will result in more sales. And hey, maybe it might improve this stock just a little tiny bit. I wouldn't hold your breath, but that's what we'd like to see. So yeah, I just wanted you to be aware of this, that business joint operations are going on like this, and that's only beneficial to Pfizer and obviously the people receiving the vaccine. So it's a win-win for everyone. And yeah, so stay on top of this, have some fun, do your own research, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.